Hi students, today we are going to see now. Here two poem, 8th standard, My Hobby Reading. I'll read the lesson, see a poem, I'll read, see, my hobby is reading, it helps me in thought breeding. So the poem, is if you have watching TV, so collecting stamps, gardening, like that, many hobbies are there, okay? ஒரு பழக்கம் அது. So he's saying, see, the poet saying it helps me to the thought reading. சிந்தனையை ரொம்ப அப்படியே தூண்டுது அப்படி it takes me to the places near and far. அந்த புக்கை படிக்கும்போது அதை வந்து இருக்கிற இடத்தையெல்லாம் விவரிச்சிருப்பாங்க. இட் கீப்ஸ் மை ரேஷனல் ஜோர் ஜஸ்ட் அஜா. அப்போ எண்ணங்கள்லாம் வருது. இட் டீச் மீ டு கேக்கிள் அண்ட் க்ரை வித்தவுட் விங்ஸ். இட் லெட்ஸ் மீ ஃபைல். கீழெல்லாம் பறக்க வைக்கலாம். இட் டீச் மீ டு கேக்கிள், சிரிக்க செய்து அழுக செய்து கிராக்ஸ் ஃபை. இட் லெட்ஸ் மீ ஃப்ளை. ஐ விஷ் all children could read in constructing a vigorous society, then we shall succeed. நல்லா படிச்சிங்கன்னா நல்ல ஒரு சொசைட்டி உருவாக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி இந்த போயம் சொல்கிறது. ஓகே, ஸோ the poem, we are going to the book back exercise now. First one, comprehension questions. What is the hobby of the poet? The hobby of the poet is reading. What does ajar means? Ajar means partly open. மூடி பாதி திறந்துருக்குமா இல்லையா? That's partly open. Can the poet fly without wings? Yes is the answer. Yes, the poet can fly without wings. What can children do to society if they read? The children can build a vigorous society. தைரியமான சொசைட்டி உருவாக்கலாம். The children can build a vigorous society. What is the theme of the poem? Reading is a good hobby is the theme of the poem. Okay. On the basis of your understanding of the poem, pick the most suitable to complete reading. Helps me think deeply about everything. Keeps me busy. That too it's coming. Yeah, my hobby takes me far and near. That line is coming in the poem. Reading lets me fly without wings. Rakkilam paraka vikidama. Sindhanai thundu paraka vikidama. That's the thing is saying. Okay. Reading helps the children to construct society. Then blesses the teacher who teaches. Okay. The bless the teachers who teach. Next, third one, complete the table given below in order to understand the poem better. The poet mentions using of reading the lines. The poem describes the uses, the rhymes used in the line, meaning of the line. Thought breeding. In thought breeding, the rhymes uses reading, breeding. So meaning is, yes, reading improves our thought. Open racial doors. It keeps my racial doors ajar. The poem line is coming like that. So lines in this, what are the rhymes? Fa, ja, ja. Okay. Just what meaning is, reading makes us rational. Fly without wings, to cackle and cry without just wing. So here, what is the rhyming word? Rhymes uses cry, fly. Reading helps us to fly without wings. Constructing society. In constructing a vigorous society. Here what's coming, the rhymes used in line is read, succeed. Reading makes people strong and active. Thank you, students. Now we are seeing the figure of speech, rhyming words. So rhyming words is given there, see. Deep, asleep, light, bright, see, be. Okay, these are the rhyming words in this poem. Okay. Answer the following. List the rhyming words in the first 3 lines. Deep, asleep. Which word in the poem rhymes with light? Into the seed, too bright. Rhyming scheme, just what they're giving. See, rhyming scheme, what they're giving. Day, way, ye, a, fa, bb, toes, nose, cc, skies, eyes, dd. Okay, now they're asking to do it. My dog likes bones, A, up, B, sweet, C, and up, your pup is B. So, rhyme scheme A, B, C, B. And here complete the poem in your own as A, B rhyming scheme they are saying. So, P is porridge hot, P is porridge cold. So, that is A and B. They ate a lot. Once again, it's coming C. Ye. Okay, ye. Then bold. Then they fought bold. So A, A, B, A, B. Okay. Thank you, students.